Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we used Task Manager to fix frozen apps. Now we'll look at how to use it to monitor your system's overall health. The Performance tab shows real-time usage of your CPU, memory, disk, and network. This is a great high-level view of how your hardware is handling its workload. If you right-click the CPU graph and choose Change Graph to, then select Logical Processors, you can see the activity on each individual core of your processor. High disk or network usage can make your PC feel slow, even if the CPU usage is low. For example, Windows updates or large downloads often use the disk heavily. Let's see this in action. I'm heading over to Microsoft's official site to download the Sysinternal suite. It's a trusted toolkit that gives you deeper insight into what's running on your system. As the download starts, keep an eye on Task Manager. You notice quick spikes in CPU, disk, and Ethernet activity. That's Windows working behind the scenes, managing the file download and data processing in real time. It's a simple way to see how your system reacts to something as everyday as a download. The Startup Apps tab shows programs that launch automatically when you sign in. Disabling unnecessary apps here can significantly improve your boot time. On ARM-based devices, you can add the Architecture column in the Details tab to see whether an app is running natively or under emulation. Watching these patterns help you understand why your PC might slow down in certain situations, like during a heavy download or while watching high-resolution video. That's a quick look at the Task Manager. If this was useful, please like and subscribe to Libretechia for more practical Windows guides. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.